And I wanted to add also, like, it's not necessarily you need to jump into something like, oh, I'm looking for partner, like, you know, like,
Yeah.
and post in every single group.
Yeah.
Sometimes it just comes natural, like it came natural to us, but you can just, you know, do one step at the time and just talk to someone. Like, you see any comment in Amazon groups, which is like a lot of them on Facebook, you can reply and you can be engaging this way, and over time it will come natural. It's not like you go on some app to find a partner. No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
But just try to step a little bit out of your comfort zone and try to give something. Like, you had a positive experience, and just like give it something back. Just share it with other people, even in the group, even in the text. And that's like, you know, that could be, you never know how it will end. I just wanted to say that, like, Vova and I are Russian speaking, and many years ago, like several years ago, when I just started Amazon, I just came to his channel just to share what I do. I didn't have anything like why I want to do this. I just wanted to share how to get engaged. That's our first video. And
Yes.
like, we created so many videos, and I learned that people liked the way I explain things, which is I never would think about myself, that people understand how I explain things. Then I started my own channel, like in Russian language. And then we started recently our channel in English. And that's just like, you never know how it will like turn. But even like dealing with people sometimes could be challenging, or it could be some tension. It's not always like flowers and blooming and everything is like shiny, but I would say it will benefit you way more than you actually think. And you never how it could turn like which way, because yeah, partnership is wonderful. Just try it and see how it works for you, and let us know in the comment if you tried and how it turned out. It would be good to read.